The market is warming up like a coiled spring ready to explode, and the setup we have over the next few months is unlike anything we've seen in years. With rate cuts on the horizon and 2026 potentially bringing a full-blown QE scenario, the liquidity floodgates could open wider than ever. These are the exact conditions that create generational wealth opportunities, and missing the right positions now would mean watching the trade of the decade pass by from the sidelines. I've been tracking Aerodrome Finance closely, and its price action this year has been a perfect display of strength. Back in April, after peaking at a $1.57 billion market cap, it corrected all the way down to $250 million. That's a brutal drawdown for the weak hands, but what followed was a massive bounce that almost no weak project can achieve. In strong markets, Bitcoin drives the tide, but when you see certain altcoins recovering aggressively and outperforming, you're looking at serious fundamentals in play. I first discovered Aero in 2024, later than I wish I had, and took my initial position in August of that year at around a $374 million market cap. I've held it with conviction because this is one of the most powerful DEX ecosystems operating on Base right now, competing head-to-head with major DEX platforms across the entire crypto landscape. The fundamentals are rock solid. Aerodrome Finance is a next-gen decentralized exchange designed for high capital efficiency, deep liquidity, and minimal slippage. It's built to capture and retain liquidity through innovative V3 tokenomics, rewarding long-term holders and active participants while creating a sustainable ecosystem for traders, liquidity providers, and protocols. On top of that, it's backed by Coinbase itself, giving it credibility, network advantages, and a direct link to one of the largest and most trusted names in the entire crypto industry. Its integration with the Base network gives it low fees, fast settlement, and a direct line to one of the fastest-growing Layer 2 user bases in crypto. Accessibility is already strong. It's listed on virtually every major exchange except Binance. But Binance is the sleeping giant here. Aero is already live on Binance Alpha, which puts the probability of a full Binance listing at around 80 to 90%, and when that happens, the influx of liquidity and exposure could act as a major catalyst. Right now, at about $1.17 per token and roughly a $1 billion market cap, Aero has just staged an explosive run, nearly doubling from a $650 million cap in recent days. For a project of this caliber, that's a signal, not noise. With the market's macro backdrop shifting into risk-on mode, my conservative target for Aero sits between $10 billion and $20 billion market cap this cycle. The math isn't far-fetched. This would only place it alongside the leading DEX names in the industry, which is exactly where it belongs given its performance, adoption curve, and network effect. I've seen countless tokens come and go, but Aero has already proven it can take the hits, shake off the corrections, and come back swinging harder than before. In times like these, hesitation is the enemy, and conviction is the edge that turns opportunity into fortune.